It's really important when you clean your wheels, especially from brake dust, that you find the right one. If you have aluminum wheels like this Mini has, you want to find a product that says made for aluminum wheels. If you've got some other type of alloy, get the right product. Some even say for painted wheels, if you put the wrong product on, it's going to take off the protective coating on the wheel and damage it and impact the value in a negative way. Spray the product on. You can buy any wheel cleaner that's appropriate for your vehicle. Let it sit. Go to the other wheels, come back and rinse it off. The red that you see on the wheels is from the wheel cleaner actually eating the brake dust off of the aluminum wheel. Once the wheel cleaner is set the appropriate time, rinse it off. If you still like to make your tires look a little cleaner, just put some tire shine on. They make spray-ons that make your tire look nice and shiny, and it stays nice and shiny. Might as well. Let's have a good looking car.